Killer?
This is my retarded dog. She sounds like a guinea pig, as you can hear. This is her breathing. Really, dog? You're a bitch. Killer. Killer. I don't want to see your little conversation.
Calm down. It's not anything bad. Be glad you haven't seen me and Natalie simping over non-existent men. Oh my god, Mom!
Look at your little bug eyes. She sleeps with them open. Woo.
Oh my god, don't turn the flash on, Mom! Mom! Oh my god. You're
Killer,
so
snore.
You're terrible, Mom.
She could wake you up from across the house.
Oh my god. You need help, Mom.